The Blessing Hospital Laboratory is delivering faster test results in a way that's safer for patients and staff through this new 32-foot-long modular pre-analytical, or MPA system, manufactured by Roche Diagnostics. The MPA eliminates about 1 dozen costly and hazardous manual steps involved in preparing laboratory samples for analysis. Once loaded into the MPA, a specimen takes 12 minutes to go through a series of 8 steps and reach its testing destination. Those steps include barcode reading for identification, uncapping of the specimen, dividing the original specimen into smaller amounts for testing, barcoding the smaller specimens for identification, recapping all the specimens, routing the specimens to their testing location, and sorting the original specimens for storage. Blessing Hospital Laboratory Manager Jill Stegeman says automating lab tasks formerly done by people speeds up the testing process and makes it safer.
The manual processes took a long time to load centrifuges. We come up with 100 samples at a time, and we would have to load centrifuges, take the tops off of all those samples, maybe aliquot them or separate them. We might have to make barcode labels and then aliquot those samples into a new barcoded labeled tube. So it presented a lot of opportunity for identification error for the patient, for us. We do a lot of other things at the same time, answering phones, answering all kinds of alarms on the equipment. So it's easy to get sidetracked. So now the pre-analytical automation does all that for us. So it's a huge patient safety for identification. Also, there's a lot of risk to the employees when we take tops off of tubes. There's opportunity for, we work with HIV and hepatitis samples. So this is a patient or employee safety thing as well, because it handles all the pre-analytics itself. We put the specimen on in the beginning, we never touch the sample again.
The Blessing Laboratory performs approximately 1 million tests a year for patients of Blessing Hospital, Blessing Physician Services, other clinics and physician offices, and nursing homes throughout the region. A grant from the Illinois Hospital Capital Investment Program paid for the MPA. The program provides funding to build or renovate health facilities or acquire medical or information technology equipment in an effort to provide quality care across Illinois.